Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time, and then from the boot options, swipe down to turn off your phone. Now when the phone turns off, you then want to hold power button and volume down instead. And in a moment when you see the Realme logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. This will then present you with a 3 language options. Now I want to select English, which is right here. And once you select your language, you have the recovery mode with 3 options in here as well, which is format data, reboot the device, and power off. Now format data only consists of factory reset and then nothing else. And it's blocked by a randomly generated 4-digit code, while reboot and power off are 2 different ways of leaving the recovery mode. So I'm going to utilize reboot, okay, and this will now take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.